How to redact PDF content. Open your target file in UPDF. Click Tools, then select Redact from the panel. A prompt will appear, informing that redaction permanently blacks out and removes sensitive content. To redact text, click the Redact button in the top toolbar. Drag your cursor over the text you want to hide, then click Apply. Select Continue to confirm. To redact a page, use the Redact Page button in the top toolbar, enter the page number and choose a color, then click Redact. To find or redact specific words, click the Search Redaction tool in the top toolbar. Search the target word in the left panel, select the matches you want to redact, click Redact, and then Apply. To remove all hidden data and metadata from the document, click Sanitize PDF in the top toolbar, then OK. Download UPDF and try it for free now.